the survey. I personally, we in the curriculum and implementation division, we are not comfortable with the result. Looking into that, our objective is no one or no children or no child will be left behind. So looking into that percentage na mayroon pa kaming hindi pala nalagay doon sa basic literacy and functional literacy, yun pa talaga yung pinaka-challenge namin. So, although sabihin na konti na lang yun, but still, our hearts belongs to it. So, we are going to fish these children with the teachers and the school heads to address the gaps.
Okay. Ma'am, you mentioned some initiatives kaina sa nga gina-introduce na sa DepEd. May kulang pa ba? Or ano mga areas ang dapat natin nga i-boost para ma-achieve ang whatever nga gusto natin nga ma-achieve?
Yep. With the result of the survey of the FLEMS and even in our contextualized or localized survey on assessment highlighting the result of the comprehensive rapid literacy assessment, the Philippine informal reading inventory, every year we have a gap. And every year we have our interventions to address that because we are also addressing the individual differences. So, at our context at present, we have our programs and projects to address the gaps in terms of the result of the CRLA and the PhilErie. We feel we have doled out everything for our children. But yes, we cannot make it into 100% result, bringing the children to grade ready for every year because of several factors, like there are cancellation of classes due to intermittent weather like the high heat index. Meron kaming mga learners that before may sudden pronouncement na walang klase, and we are also struggling for the internet connectivity because one of the survey factors in the survey is the use of the media. And that we have last mile school, yung mga schools namin na located in the far-flung area, where in fact we are also having partnership with the private agencies to provide with internet connectivity, but the place really cannot suffice to address the needs of all children, giving us the result that meron pa tayong gap. But still we are continue on building our partnership with the local government unit as our strong pillars in terms of partnership, and also we are engaging with other international partner also in terms of assessment and provision of the system in terms of instructional, like the Khan Academy who offer us system as to the use of the higher order thinking skills questions with interactive modules and instructional learning experiences for our learners, because we are also triggered with the result of not only the PLEMS but also the PISA. So parang at our context at the regional level, we have done to the fullest, but still the result is out, and that it triggers us to move and rethink and think and rethink for more interventions.